Okay, so please let me know, is my screen visible? Yes, guys. Just unmute it because I cannot see the chat message. Okay. Okay. 25 students. Okay. So good morning to all. Uh, Today we'll discuss quantitative aptitude topics. Okay, so you already gone through these topics in your 10th, 12th level. Okay. So the topics, so that is based on percentage. Then we'll discuss simple interest and compound interest. Okay, even though you people know all these concepts, okay, we'll just do the revision so that it will be helpful for your placement in the next year. So in the third year, you people are appearing for the placement. So please let me know, am I audible clearly? Anyone? Can anyone please unmute and speak? Anyone please unmute and speak? Yes, Vedika, 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 Nikhil, Vedika, Nikhil. Anyone just unmute and speak. Ritesh, Sejal. Yes, Archit Jain, Archit Jain. Can you unmute? Archit Jain, Ritesh Gandhi. Yes, anyone? Okay, he's responding. So can you unmute, Ritesh? Okay, we'll start with the concepts. So I hope the screen is visible, and suppose if the screen is not visible or any problem, you just unmute because I can't see the charts as it is. It covers my screen, the content, whatever you are seeing. Okay, so I cannot see the your chart. So if you have any doubt and all, or while telling the answer also, you just unmute. So the percentage. Okay, so as you know, percentage means many hundred. Okay, so x percentage means x by 100. Okay, so 50 percentage, 50 by 100. As you know all these concepts, so today we'll discuss some of the concepts uh, based upon the percentage topic. So even you can, like, for example, 1 by 4 means how much? It is a 25 percentage. So 25 percentage that you can represent as 1 by 4, that is 25 by 100. So that is 1 by 4. Okay. So you need to represent the A by B as a percentage of A by B into 100. Okay. So next there are some formulas when the percentage increase or decrease. So if the price of the commodity increases by R percentage, suppose if you get a problem statement such that if the price is increased by R percentage, then the reduction in the consumption so as to not to increase the expenditure, not to increase the expenditure. So in such case, the increase in the rate of interest. So the formula is R divided by 100 plus R into 100 percentage. Suppose if the price of the commodity decreases by R percentage, okay, decreases by R percentage, okay, so it is R divided by 100 minus R into 100. So you please take a pen and paper, we will solve some of the problems. So you need to answer in the chat box. Okay, so if the price of the commodity increases by R percentage means it is a R divided by 100 plus R into 100. Decreases means R divided by 100 minus R into 100 percentage. So similar to that, the population. Suppose if you get a problem statement based upon the population. If the population of the town, that is P now and P is now, and suppose it increases at the rate of interest R percentage per annum. Okay, this is the present population and it increases. So that is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Means if the population increases after n years, okay, population increases after n years. Suppose if the population n years ago, okay, if the population n years ago means it is P divided by 1 plus R by 100 raised to n year ago. Okay, there are two cases where the population is increase, that is after the n years population n years ago, so that is P divided by 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Population n year ago and population after the n years. So as you know in the basic, so the percentage, so normally how you solve this percentage means percentage, how you do the calculation, the normal method is suppose 50 percentage of 2800, 50 percentage of 2800. For example here 50 percentage of 2800, how you calculate? Can anyone please mention the correct answer in the chat box? 50 percentage, right? So that is 50 into 28 you will mention. So the normal method of the calculation. Okay, so in mind calculation, how you can do the mind calculation, how you can calculate? For example, here 50 percentage of, this is the normal method, 50 percentage of so 100% means 100% means 2800, right? 100 percentage means we need to calculate the 50 percentage. Okay, 50 percentage of 2800. So the, so 2800 means what? It is 100%, and its 50 percentage means how much? 1400. Means it's a mind calculation, means you need to calculate without using pen and paper. And this is your normal method. This is your normal method of calculation. Normal method of calculation. Okay, so so for 2800, like for example, 10 percentage. 10 percentage means what? 10 percentage of 2800 is 280. Okay, so in this way you can do this mind calculation. Okay, so there is one more like concept you already know, that is x percentage of y. Okay, x percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. X percentage, x percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. Okay, x percentage of y equal to y percentage. For example, 50 percentage of 36 is equivalent to 36 percentage of 50. Can anyone tell what is the 50 percentage of 36? Can anyone calculate and put the answer in the chat box? 50 percentage of 36. 50 percentage of 36. Can you please mention in the chat box? Yes, 18. Good. Okay. So 50 percentage of 36. 18. What about 36 percentage of 50? That is also 18. So this formula you may get some MCQ questions, the questions in your campus placement and all. So this one of the question is occurred this time in the TCS. X percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. Okay. So please go through this problem and find out the answer. Please mention in the chat box. Mention in the chat box. A batman A batsman scored 110 runs, which included 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. So, what is the percentage of the total score did he make by running between the wickets? By running between the wickets. Total score. What is the percentage of this total score? Percentage of this total score did he make running between the wickets? Please mention the answer in the chat box. Mention the answer in the chat box. Okay, so please mention in the chat box. So Nahin Bijapur is mentioning B 45 1 by 45 by 11 percentage. Okay, so the correct answer is that is correct. That is B. B option. Correct option is B. So total he is mentioned very simple problem. 110 is the total score, and in that how many boundaries? Four boundaries, three boundaries, 3 into 4 and 6, 8, 6. So 8 into 6. So 48 plus 12. Okay, 60. So that is total 50. 50 his score that is running between the wickets. So 50 divided by total is 110. Okay, in terms of percentage, so it is 5 by 11 into 100. So that is equivalent to 45 5 by 11 percentage. Okay, so next question, please do it. Two students appeared at an examination. So one of them secured 9 marks more than that the other. One student has scored 9 marks more than the other, and his marks was 56 percentage of the sum of their marks. His marks was 56 percentage of the sum of their marks. So the marks obtained by them are. So please use the pen and paper. See, these are all very simple questions, and you need to attempt, because in your placement and all, you while doing the means such simple problems you will find difficulty, because you won't do the practice. Such type of questions only you will get in the campus placement, but you are not able to attempt such questions in short time. So try to use pen paper and solve so you just mention the answer in the chat box. What is the marks obtained by them? So yes, please mention the answer. C. C is mentioned. Pirzade. Okay. So most of you are mentioning C. Okay, so answer is C, as it's a very simple problem. One of them is scored 9 marks more than the other. So we need to consider let the marks. So the first student is scored more than the other. So is the one who is scored more than the other. Other is X. So is the first student, second student, and what they are given. Then the other, and his marks was 56 percentage of the sum of their marks. 56 percentage. Who's this person? His marks was 56 percentage of the sum of the marks. Sum of the marks. Okay. So in this way, you do the calculation. So you will get x value as 33. X value you will get 33, and that you put it in the here. So 33 plus 9 is 42. 42 and 33. Okay, so your correct option is C. Okay, so next, what percentage of the numbers from 1 to 70 have 1 or 9, 1 or 9 in the units digit? What is the percentage of the numbers from 1 to 70 that is having a unit digit of 1 or 9? 1 or 9. Unit digit of 1 or 9. So please mention in the chat box. Yes, Nahin Bijapur has mentioned 20. Prasad Kamlapure. Okay, only 2 3 students. Pranay, Yogesh. Okay, everyone is mentioning C. Okay, so so correct answer is C. So you need to calculate the digits with 1 and 9. So from in 1 to 70, you will get around 14 digits. So 14 out of 70, because your range is 70, so 14 digits out of 70, so you will get 20 percentage. Very simple problems. Okay, next, do it fast. Do it fast. Very simple problems on the percentage. If the 50 percentage of P is equal to 25 percentage of the Q, then P equal to X percentage of Q, then find the value of X. 50 percentage of P equal to 25 percentage of Q, then P equal to X percentage of Q. Okay, great. Most of your only few students only participating. Yes, remaining. Suppose if you sit idle, then in your lifelong you will sit idle only without job. Okay, so try to participate. These are very simple questions. Okay, so here you need to find out either value of P or Q and find the value of X. So, so the correct answer is 50. Okay, so you can directly here only you can calculate, just you cancel this percentage. Okay, so 25 ones are 25 twos are. Okay, so here what you get, 2p equal to q. Yes, then you can put the value of q here, so you will get the, so p means what, q by 2. P means q by 2 equal to x percentage x by 100 into q. Okay, so in this way you will get this q cancel, so x equal to 50. Okay, next one more simple question, do it fast. Yes, do it fast. 20 percentage of p plus q equal to 50 percentage of p minus q. Then find the ratio p is to q. Yes, do it fast. Use the pen and paper. I request all the students to participate. So here percentage will cancel. 20 percentage 20 of p plus q equal to p minus q. Then what is the ratio? Okay. B. Sejal is mentioned. Answer B. Firzade, Rajwani, Anish. Okay. 7 is to 3. Good. Vinith Nadargi. Good. Vinith. Okay. Okay. So the answer is P is to 3. Okay. So as a simple question, percentage you just cancel it, and this 0 also I'll cancel here. So here we'll get 2 of p plus q equal to 5 of p minus q. Okay, so 2p plus 2q equal to 5p minus 5q. In this way you will get 3p. Okay, so p by q means 7 by 3. Okay, so these are very simple, but you need practice. You need to solve in very short time. Okay, next question, do it fast. If 90 percentage of a equal to 30 percentage of b, and b equal to 2x percentage of a, then the value of x. Yes, do it fast. Please mention in the answer in the chat box. Yes, do it. Okay, Vaishnavi 150. Okay, Archit. Okay, Bijapuri, Vineet. Okay, okay, great. So answer is, only few students are participating. Only I can see only 6 to 7 students. They are active participating. So 3a equal to b will get here. 3a equal to b. Then find the this. You have to put the value of a, so you can get the x as 150. Okay. So next question. Do it fast. Yes, I request everyone to participate, because it is not a theory class, so you need to practice. It is very simple, but here you should improve your time. because in your examination and all you will get 100 questions 90 minutes time. So 100 questions 90 minutes time, and this percentage topic it will be helpful for your the remaining. It is a base topic for the remaining topics. Yes, calculate 2a minus 3b by 1 by b is 40 percentage of a plus b equal to 60 percentage of a minus b. So here you just I will calculate percentage and 0. So 2 to the 2 3 the, yes, getting the response. So 2a plus b equal to 3a minus b, and again you do the simplification. Okay, so answer is 7 by 6. Answer is 7 by 6. Okay, so you need to put the value and you have to do the simplification. So answer is 7 by 6. Okay, next question. Next question. If the 20 percentage of a plus b equal to 50 percentage of b, it is also very similar to the same question. Do it fast. Within 30 20 to 30 seconds you have to solve these questions. 2 of a plus b equal to, you get 5 of b, means 5b. Okay, the answer is 1 by 2. Pranali, only two students are mentioned. Okay, Vinith Nadargi. Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay, Tulsi, Lavanya. Okay, great. Lavanya and Tulsi, they have participated in this problem only. Okay, so the answer is 1 by 2. So similar to the previous problem. Okay, then next question. If 20 percentage of a, if the 20 percentage of a is equal to 80 percentage of the b, then find out b plus a by b minus a is equal to 20 percentage of a. Okay, Anish is mentioned. Answer B. 20 percentage of a is equal to 80 percentage of b. Then find out the b by b plus a by b minus a. Okay, do it. 5 by 3. Okay, so the answer is very simple, very simple. So here a you will get 4b, then you just put the value of a. So here you will get, you can, after the simplification you will get 5 by 3. Okay, okay. Next, if x is 20 percentage less than y, if x is 20 percentage less than y, then find the value of the two parameters. Find the value of y minus x by y and x by x minus y. It is little different than the previous problem. If x is 20 percentage less than y, so find the value of y minus x by y and x divided by x minus y. Please do it, everyone. X is 20 percentage less than y. Do it. So suppose if y is 100, then x is 20 percentage less means what? How much? X is 80. Good, Vaishnavi. 1. A option. Okay. Yes, others also participate. A. Very simple. Archit Jain. Okay. Good. Smruti. Okay. Pirzade. Dimple. Okay. So answer is A. Prasad. Okay. So okay. Simple. So you have to consider in such cases if 20% less than y means y value you consider as 100 and the value of x is 80, right? So y minus x, here you will get 1 by 5 and here you will get minus 4, so the correct option is A. Okay, so okay, next question. If x percentage, if 8 percentage of x is equal to 4 percentage of y, then 20 percentage of x is. Very simple. Very simple. Within 10 seconds, you need to answer this one. If 8 percentage of x is equal to 4 percentage of y, then what is 20 percentage of x? Yes, great. Very fast. Within 30 seconds, okay. 30 seconds, you people are answered. Yes, great. So, answer is A. First one only. Correct. Next question. Next question. If 60% of A is 30% of B, B equal to 40 percentage of C, C equal to X percentage of A, then what is the value of X? 60 percentage of 60 percentage of A equal to 30 percentage of B. So B equal to 40 percentage of C. Okay, answer we are getting as 500. Great. Okay, so answer is 500. So after doing the simplification, here we will get 2A equal to B. Okay, 2A equal to B and so B equal to 40 percentage of C. So B means 2A. So after simplification, we'll get the A value as C by 5. So you put it here. So you will get the C, that X value as 500. X value as 500. Okay, X value as 500. Okay. Next question. So there are some formulas are there. Okay. So very important concepts while solving the percentage type of problem. So here x is what percentage of y. X is what percentage of y. So that you have to write it as x by y. X is what percentage of y? X by y into 100. In such cases, in suppose in the problem, if you find a problem statement of x is what percentage of y, what percentage of y, so that is x by y. So the y it will come denominator. Okay, x is what percentage of y, then what percentage of x is, what percentage of x is y. So this percentage of x, so this x will come to denominator here. What percentage of x is y? So x will come to denominator. So there are two cases you have to remember. In the suppose in the problem statement, if you find such type of statement, okay, x is what percentage of y? Percentage of y. So y this will be denominator. X by y into 100. So what percentage of x? What percentage of x is y? What percentage of x is y? Means x will come to the denominator. One more formula is x is what percentage more or less than y? X is what percentage more? X is what percentage more or less than y? Then y means the formula is x minus y divided by y into 100. Then okay, then y means this y should come to denominator. X is what percentage more or exceed also will come, means in the statement. Suppose if x is what percentage more or less than y, then means the denominator, and also in the second term here, second term also should be there. So x minus y divided by y into 100. Okay, x minus y divided by y into 100. X is what percentage more than the, more than or more means positive term you will get, less means negative value we will get. This is a very important formula. Okay, next. Okay, same. X is what percentage of y? What percentage of y means y will come denominator. What percentage of x is y? So x will come to the denominator. X is what percentage more or less? More or less than y? Than means denominator and second term. Denominator and second term. So more means you will get the positive value. Less means you will get the negative value. Okay. So please solve this problem. X is 100% more than y. More than y. Please do it. More than y. Then by what percentage? What percent is y less than x? By what percent y less than x? Please do it. If x is 10 percentage more than y, then by what percentage is y less than x? Yes, please do it. If x is 10 percentage more than y, then by 10% more than y means, suppose if y is 100, x value is 110. 10% is more than y, then by what percentage y is less than x. Y is less. Okay. Y is less than the x. Yes, please mention the answer in the chat box. I'm not getting any response. Okay, Smruti mentioned A. Smruti. Okay. Okay. Please mention in the chat box. Please attempt the problem. Yes, all of you solve by your own. Anish mentioned D. Sejal D. Okay. Okay, let us see the solution. F. Okay, we are getting different answers. So here x is 10 percentage more than the y. So let us consider value of y as 100. Okay, 10% more means definitely the x value is 100. X value is 100. Sorry, x value is 110 and y value is 100. Okay. Then by what percent is y less than x? Y less than x. We are having our formula y less than x. X is what percentage more or less than y? X is what percentage more or less than y. So this less than y means where it comes in the denominator. Okay, right? X minus y by y into 100. So similar to that, here by what percentage y is less than x? So this x will come to the denominator and also the second term. Right, this is our formula. So y minus x into y minus x by x into 100. So what is the value of y? 100 or 100, x is 110. So here we will get minus 100 by 11, minus 100 by. So here minus means what? Is less. Here they are given. Then by what percent is y less than x? So less means what? It's a negative value. More means you will get the positive value. Okay. So the so it is equivalent to this one, right? 9900. This is first one. First one. Okay. The answer is first one. Okay. 100 by 11. Okay. Next. Please all of you attempt this. If A's height is 10 percentage, if A height is 10 percentage more than B's height, by how much percentage less is B's height than A? Our second formula you have to apply. Yes, do it fast. Okay, uh, Firzadeh mentioned D. Okay, do it fast, guys. Still, we need to cover the simple interest, compound interest. Smruti mentioned C, Vaishnavi C, Archit C. Yes, guys, others please participate. Pranali is D. See this aptitude, you people have to do daily. Daily, at least 1 hour you have to spend on the aptitude. Even though whatever your busy schedule or whatever the test and all, because this aptitude only that will change your life. For any job, the first test is to check your this aptitude ability. The mental ability means how you solve the calculation, how you analyze the problem. Okay, so that comes only with the practice. Every company, every sector, they conduct the placement test or any job recruitment. The first test is aptitude test. So this is very important. You need to give 50 percentage weightage to your academics and 50 percentage weightage to your aptitude, soft skill for your okay, soft skill, other to gain technical skills and all, competitive programming, technical skills. 50 percentage weightage you should give. You should to gain the success. Success means what? To get a job. Okay. 50% academic of your 8 semesters. 8 semester into, if you consider 6 to 7 subjects, around 50 sub 48 means around 50 subjects. 50 subjects of your semester, because this academic means 60% is eligibility for your any campus placement or any job to, this is eligibility. So this is important. Along with that, your aptitude, soft skill and technical also very important. Okay, so okay, so what is the answer? Please mention in the chat box. So the correct answer is D. Okay, if A's height is 10% more than the, it is similar to previous one. B is 100 means A is 10% more means 110. Okay, how much, by how much percentage, less is B's height than of A? Than of A. A means here comes the denominator, second term, okay, into 100. So this is your formula. So less than. So similar to it is previous problem. Okay. Next. Yes, next. Please solve it. B got 20 percentage marks less than A. B got 20 percentage of the marks less than A. Less, the previously it was more. What percentage marks did A got more than B? More than, you know the formula, more than B. Okay, Firza, they mentioned B. Okay, please attempt, all of you attempt the problem. Siddhant, okay, the first time Siddhant is participated. Bijapur B, Tejas is left. Smruti B, okay. Okay, the solution is, so here they are given the less, the B 20% marks is less. Less means what? If suppose then A is 100, then 20% less means 100 minus 20, that is 80. So B value is 80, and you know the formula. Then B, so you know B is comes to denominator, and the second term, you know the formula, right? So 100 minus 80, so you get 25 percentage. Okay, next, do it fast. If X earns 25% more than Y, what percentage less does Y earn than X? If X earns 25% more than Y, what percentage less does Y earn than X? Yes, do it fast. Mention the answer in the chat box. Okay, Siddhant C, Nahin, Bijapur C. Okay, Firzade C, Vinith. Okay, great. Pranali. Okay, Vaishnavi, Archit Jain. Okay, okay, great. Answer is 20% less. I think most of them mentioned C or D. C. Okay, 20%. C. Okay. So 20% is more means more than Y. Y means 100. So 25 means percent more means X value will be 125. So here what they ask, what percentage less does Y earn than X? So X will come denominator and also the second term, then Y into 100. So with this we will get the 20% less. Minus 20 means that is less. Okay, great. Next question. The two numbers are respectively 12 of 1 by 2 percentage and 25 percentage more than a third number. More than a third number. The first number is what percentage of the second number? The first number is what percentage of the second number? There are two numbers, they are given. They are more than third number. They are more than the third number. The first number is what percentage of the second number? It is a little bit different than the previous problem. Yes, guys, do it fast. Yes, do it fast. Still, we need to cover SI and CI. Okay, Vaishnavi mentioned A. Yes, others, please. Okay, so the correct answer is 90 percentage. The answer is D. So here they are given three numbers because first two numbers and third number. So Third number we don't know. We don't know third number. Okay, so just consider a third number as 100, and the first number is 12 1 by 2 percentage. This is first number, and second number is 25 percentage more. So 25 percentage more means its a value is 125. Then third number is 225 by 2. 225 by 2. Third number. That is first number. First number. Because it is 12 by 12 1 by 2 percentage more than the given number. Okay. So the first number is what percentage of the second number? The first number is what so this is what percentage of the second number. Okay. So here you need to calculate 225 by 2. Okay. So this divided by 125 means here 125 will come into 100. Okay. So that is 90 percentage. 90 percentage. So the correct answer is D. So here main is that you need to calculate these two numbers, first and second number. Next question. The two numbers are less than a third number by 30 percentage and 37 percentage. Okay, there are two numbers are there. They are less than the third number. Here already I have mentioned. This is the third number. The first number, second number. First number is less than 30 percentage. Second number is less than 37 percentage. The percent by which the second number is less than the first number. Less than the first number. First number means it will come at the denominator. Okay, do it as Saurabh has mentioned A. Saurabh has mentioned A, okay. Already the values are given here. Okay, less than means 30% less than means 70. So second number 37% means 63. Okay. So answer is the percent by which second number is less than the first number. Okay, answer is A. So the first number here the less than A, less than the first. So less than means here it will come. And also the second value. 63 minus 70 by 70 into 100. Once you do the simplification, you will get the 10. Minus 10 means it is less than. Minus 10 you will get. Okay. Next question. Next, there are some the percentage only. Percentage topic. The question that is based upon the salary. Based upon the salary. So suppose if you get a question that is based upon the salary, and if they are not mentioned the salary, so here in this the base value you have to consider as 100 percentage. 100 percentage or 100 means while solving the problem you have to consider. Okay. Okay, so please go through this one. Radha spends 40% of her salary on food, 20% on house rent, 10% on entertainment, and 10% on conveyance. So if her saving at the end of the month is 1500, means 1500 is left, that is saving, then her salary for the month is, what is the total salary? So she spent some amount and at the end she is having some saving. Okay, great. But we're getting answer different. Siddhant has mentioned 7,500. Getting the answers different answers. Here they are given some spends. 7,500. Okay. Okay. So her monthly salary we need to calculate her monthly salary. Okay. So answer is 7,500. Okay. Ashwini also mentioned the same. So here we need to consider we don't know the exact the total salary. So 100%. 100% we need to consider 100 percentage. So that is base value 100%, and in the 100%, okay, so Radha is spending 40 percentage on her food, then 20% on the house rent, then 10% on the entertainment, then 10% on conveyance. So total how much? 80 percentage. Okay. Okay. So 100 percentage, that is total salary. So in that she is spending 80 percentage. So that is 20 percentage is left. Okay. 80 percentage she is spending. So in that we do the total is 100 percentage because we don't know the total salary. So out of 100%, 80% she is spending. So 20 percentage is left, and what is the left? So that is 20 percentage. So that is they are mentioned at the end of the month. Only 1500 is left. So whatever remaining 20 percentage, that is the 1500. Okay. So we need to calculate for 100%, means total salary we need to calculate. Means for 20 percentage, 20 percentage means for 1500 they are given. So for 100% how much? That is X. Okay, so you just calculate it, you will get a 7,500. Okay, next. Kishan spends 30% of his salary on food and donates 33% in the charitable trust, and he spends 2310 on these two items. Then total salary for that month. Okay, please mention the answer in the chat box. The Kishan spends 30% of the salary on his food, donates 3% on the charitable trust, and he spends 2310 on these two items. Okay, Siddhant has mentioned 7,000. Okay. Please solve it and mention the chat box. Okay, 7,000. Great. Okay. So the base value, 100%. So in that 30% of his salary on food, 3% on charitable trust, total 33%. And what they mentioned, he spends 2310 on these two items. So whatever this 33% is, so that is equivalent to 2310. Okay. So we need to calculate the salary. Then for 100 percentage, how much? Right? So that is 7,000. Next. So Mr. X spends 35% of his salary on food, 5% of his salary on children education. In January 2011, he spent 17,600 on these two items. So his salary for that month is, do it fast. It is similar to the previous problem. Yes, do it fast. Okay, 44,000. Siddhant has mentioned 44,000. Good. Few people are attempting, okay, in within 30, 20 to 30 seconds you are solving the problems. Prasad, okay. Bijapure, okay. Good. Okay, 35 and 5% on the salary. So that is total he is spending 40 percentage. So he spent that is 40 percentage equivalent to that value 17,600. So for 100 percentage how much we need to calculate? Good. So that is 44,000. Next, Keshav spent 55,475 on his birthday party, 28,525 on buying the home appliances, and remaining 25 percentage remaining, it is very important, remaining 25% of the total amount he had as cash with him. And what was the total amount? What was the total amount? Please do it. Mention the answer in the chat box. He spent 55,475 on his birthday party, 28,525 on buying the home appliances, and the remaining 25 percentage of the total amount he had a cash with him. Remaining 25 percentage. Yes. Let's do it fast. Mention the answer. Okay, 112, 1,12,100, 1,12,000. Okay, Nikhil. Okay, good, good. But I can find only the few people only they are participating. The remaining they are just their audience. So this is the amount they are spending. So that is 84,000. Okay. And what they are meaning the remaining 25 percentage. Remaining 25 percentage means whatever they are spending that is 75 percentage. So 75 percentage means this one. So we need to calculate the what is the 100%. Okay. So this is so value of X we need. Okay. 1,12,000. Great. Next one. Miss Sujata invests 7 percentage, that is 2170 her monthly salary in mutual fund. Later she invests 80 percentage of her monthly salary in recurring deposits, and she invests 6 percentage of her salary on NSC. What is the total annual amount invested by Sujata? Annual. It is very important. Annual. Total annual amount they are asking. Till now, whatever we discussed, there was a monthly salary was there. Let's do it fast. 7 percentage of that is 2170 of her monthly salary in mutual fund. Let's do it fast. 7 percentage. 7%, that is they are given 2170. So here you will get some value here, 7% of the salary. We need to calculate annual amount, that is for yearly, annual 12 months. Whatever value you will get into 12, so you will get the annual salary. Yes, please mention in the chat box. Okay, so Vaishnavi has mentioned 3,72,000. Firzade, okay. Sejal Jain, okay. Yes, please others try it. Okay, so the salary is 1,15,320. How will see? Say they are given the 7%. 7%, that is how much? 2170. 7% means 2170. So 100% means we will get the total salary we will get. Okay, 7% means 2170 they are given. So 100% means, so here you will get x equal to 31,000. That is the Sujata salary. So out of this 100%, she is investing 7% for the mutual fund, 18% is for where it is mentioned RD, recurring deposit, and 6% in NSC, national scheme. So total how much? 25, 31%. Okay. So 100% means we know 31,000, and 31% means X. This is total saving. So here we will get X as 9610. Okay, 9610 X value. What is the total annual amount invested? So they are asking how many invested, not the total salary. So investment is for 1 month is 9610. Her salary is 31,000. 31,000 is her salary that we get from this value. So out of this, she is investing 9610. 9610 is investing. So this investment is monthly investment into 12. Into 12, we will get 1,15,320. Okay, investment they are asking. Investment they are asking. Okay, what is the total amount? Yes, Vinith. Okay, 1,15,320. Great. Next, please do it. Mr. X spends 20% of his 20% of his monthly income on household expenditure. Out of the remaining 25% he spends on the children education, 50% on the transport, 15% on the medicine, 10% on the entertainment. So he is left with 9800 after incurring all expenditures. What is his monthly income? What is his monthly income? Okay, guys, please mention in the chat box what is his monthly income. He spends 20% of his monthly income on household expenditure, 20% out of the remaining 25 percentage he spends on children education, 15% on transport, 25% on medicine, and 10% on entertainment. So he's left with 9800. Yes, mention the answer in the chat box. 25, 15, 40, 55, 65. Okay, Firzazi mentioned 35,000. 35,000 is his monthly salary. Okay. Yes, others please. Mention the answer in the chat box. Okay, so Siddhant has mentioned 18,770. Okay, do it fast. So the correct answer is 35,000. So here, try to understand the question. So 20 percentage of his monthly income on the household expenditure. So 20 percentage, 20 percentage of, suppose if we consider, if we consider 100, so out of this 100, 20 percentage of his income, that is 20, okay, on the household expenditure, that is 20 rupees. Suppose if we consider 100, out of remaining how much? Remaining 80. Remaining is 80. This is remaining amount. Remaining 80. So out of this 80 rupees, he is spending 65. That is 65 means 25 percentage on children's education, 50 percentage on transport, 15% medicine, and 10% entertainment. 25, 30, 50, 25 and 30. How much? 55, 65. So 65 percentage of 80. 65 percentage of 80 rupees. Okay. So that is how much? 52. We will get 52 rupees. 52 rupees is spending. Okay. So means 52. 65 percentage of 80 means 52. So just subtract it. 80 minus 52. How much remaining? 28 percentage. 28 percentage. So here what he had mentioned, he is left with 9800. So how much he is left? 28 percentage. So 28 percentage, that is equivalent to 9800. That is the left amount. 28 percentage, whatever remaining is there, no, that is equivalent to 9800. So you can calculate 100 percentage equal to x. So here x you will get 35,000. X equal to 35,000. Okay, so remaining is very important here. Out of the remaining means 20% is here spending, so remaining is 80%. So out of 80 percentage they are using the 65 percentage here. Okay. Okay, next one. So a man spends 40% of his monthly salary on food and one third of the remaining on the transport and if he saves 45,000 per month, so which is equal to half of the balance after spending on food and transport. So what is his monthly salary? So what is his monthly salary? You need to calculate. Okay, do it. Yes, do it fast. Please mention in the chat box. Okay, so 40%, 40% is of the monthly salary. On the food, suppose if we consider, we don't know the salary total, so that's why we consider as base value as 100. So in that 40% of his monthly salary, that is 40 rupees on the food, one third of the remaining on the transport. So 40% is food, means the remaining means how much? 60. So one third. So that is 20 rupees. Okay, one third of the remaining on the transport. And if he saves, okay, so that is 20. So 60 minus 20 means the remaining is 40. Okay. Uh, if he saves 4,500 per month, so which is equivalent to the half of the balance after spending on food and transport. So here the remaining is how much here after the transport? So that is 40. Okay, 40 rupees is remaining. If he saves 4,500 per month, which is equal to the half of the balance. So here what is the balance? 40, and their half is 20, half of the balance. Okay, so this 20 is equivalent to 45,000. This 20 percentage is, that is equivalent to 4,500, because half we have to take, which is equal to the half of the balance. Okay, they are mentioned half of the balance after spending on the food and transport. So now 20% is equal to 4,500. So then what is the 100%? Okay, so you need to calculate. So you will get, how much you will get? 225. Okay, so that is the monthly salary. Is it correct? Px into 20 equal to 4500 by 100. No, 45 into 100. No, okay. Okay, so 2,25,000. 2,25,000. Sorry, 22,500. 22,500 is the total monthly salary. Okay, so one more problem. So already the answer is given here. People is decided to donate 12 percentage of his salary to orphans. 12 percentage salary, 12% of his salary. On the day of the donation, he changed his mind and donated 2,500 rupees, which was 125 percentage of what he had decided earlier. So 125 percentage, okay, which was 125 percentage of what he had decided earlier. So how much is the people's salary? So here 125 percentage, he was decided how much? 12 percentage, 12 percentage, but he's donated 2,500, which was 125 percentage what he decided earlier. For what he decided earlier, 12 percentage. So 125 percentage of 12 percentage of x, so that is equivalent to 2400. Okay, so once you do the simplification, so you'll get the x value as 16,000. 16,000 is the Vipul's salary. Okay, he decided to donate 12 percentage, but on the day of donation he donated 2,400, which was 125 percentage of what he was decided. 125 percentage of what he decided. 125 percentage of 12 percentage decided earlier. 125 percentage of 12 percentage. Okay, so 125 percentage of 12 percentage of x, so that is equal to 2,400. Okay, so that is we'll get the 16,000. Great. Next, okay, so these are all up to we decided the percentage. Next we'll go for simple interest. Okay, so as you know, simple interest formulas you know. Okay, so what is interest? Simple interest. Yearly you will calculate simple interest, principal, time and rate of interest by 100. Okay, time, duration, rate of R is rate of interest. So A is the amount, total amount. Amount means how we can calculate the amount. Amount means it is total principal plus interest. So amount equal to P into 1 plus R into T by 100. Okay, P into 1 plus R into T by 100. So that is amount, simple interest. Okay. So how you calculate the simple interest? How you calculate the simple interest? So the normal method, how you can calculate. For example, if there is a 1 lakh rupees, okay, 1 lakh rupees, and the rate of interest. So 1 lakh rupees means if the principal rate of interest is 10 percentage per annum and duration 3 year. Okay, so in such case, how you calculate? So for first year, normally how you calculate? For first year, the rate of per annum 10 percentage, so that is 10,000. Okay, for 1 lakh 10 percentage is 10,000. For second year also you will get the second 10,000. Then third year also you will get the 10,000. Okay, so at the end of the third year with the same principal amount, how much you will get? Total 1,30,000. Okay, so this is the normal in the mind calculation. You will do the calculation with a formula. With a formula, how you can do? PTR by 100. Simple interest is principal, time, duration, rate of interest by 100. Okay. So there are some terms are there here. Uh, I hope it is visible. So principal is 2,000 rupees. The rate of interest is 5 percentage per annum, and the time duration is 3 years. So this is the first, means there is no change required here. So you can easily calculate the simple interest. In the second case, the principal is 2,000, rate of interest is 5 percentage per annum, and here the 12 months are there. What should be there here? Time duration. What change is required? Please mention in the chat box. Here time duration T is equal to 24 months. So what should be there here? Please mention in the chat box. Okay, Nikhil. Okay, 2 year. Okay, it should be 2 year. Then in the third case, the principal is 2,000 Here the rate of interest is PQ quarter, 5% per quarter, and time duration is 36 months. So what is the change here? Per quarter means what? Per quarter means here 5 into 4, 20 percentage, and here 3 year, 3 year. Then the principal 2000, 5 percentage per annum, then 4 year. So there is no change required. Here next fifth case, principal is 2000, 6 percentage per 6 month. Here what is required change? Per 6 month. For 1 year 12 percentage. For 1 year it is required 12 percentage. Then here principal is 2000, 8 percentage per 8 months. But here you need to make a change for 12 months for 1 year. Okay. Then here time duration also you have to make it 1 year. Then here 6 month is there, but it should be 12 percentage per annum. Okay. So per quarter, so you have to make it as per annum. These are some small changes you have to make while calculating the answer. Okay. So this is the same whatever we discussed in the calculation. So here like 8 months, 8 months. Okay. That is 24 percentage per annum. Okay. For 12 months you need to calculate. For 8 months, 8 percentage per 8 months. For 12 months you need to calculate. That is 12 percentage. 12 percentage, 8 percentage per 8 months. So 12 percentage per annum. Here 12 months, 7 by 12 year. 7 by 12 year. Okay. So we'll see one example. What would be the simple interest that is occurred in a 4 year, that is time duration, principal 18,440 at the rate of 15 percentage per annum. So with the calculation method, principal, then time duration, rate of interest by 100, okay, we'll get 11,064. Or percentage method also you can use, like 100 percentage, whatever the principal is there, no, that is 100%, 100%. These are different methods. This is by using the formula, based on the formula method. Okay, 100% means 18,440. So 15 percentage per annum for duration 4 years. So 60 percentage means X. So you need to calculate that value. That is by percentage method you can calculate. You can use the percentage method. So next, one more simple problem. So here the Dinesh deposits an amount of 65,800, that is the principal amount. Obtain a simple interest 14% per annum for 4 years. What will be the total amount? Total amount, you know the formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R into T by 100. Okay, P into 1 plus R by R into T by 100. So they are given all the three parameters. So you can calculate the A, that is total amount. So what is the total amount that Dinesh will get at the end of the 4 year? Okay. So that is this much. Next. So here the Mr. A takes the loan from Mr. B. Okay. Mr. A loan, he takes a loan from Mr. B for 2 years at the rate of interest 5% per annum. After 2 years, he gave back, after 2 years, he gave back 6,600 to Mr. B. How much amount he has given? 6,600. So, and complete the payment of loan. So, find the interest that is paid by the Mr. A. How much interest he has paid? So, how much he has paid? Amount 6,600. Okay, he don't know, like the time duration is 2 years. After the 2 years he has paid. What is the rate of interest? 5% per annum. So with the formula of amount P into 1 plus R into T by 100. So we need to calculate this amount has given. Amount is 6,600. So principal how much we got? 6,000. So what is the rate of interest then? Please mention in the chart box how much he has paid the interest. Please mention in the chat box what is the interest he has paid. So you know the principal is 6,000. What is the total amount? Total amount is 6,600. Then what is the interest? Please mention in the chat box. Okay, Bijapur, 600 is the interest that is paid. Interest that is the paid by the A to B. So total is 6,600. Okay. Okay, so the same problem statement. 600 is the interest paid. So here one more question. A sum of 2668. A sum of this amounts to 4469 in 5 years at the rate of simple interest. So find the rate of percentage. Okay, so 2668, it amounts to 4669 at 5 year duration at the simple interest that we don't know what is the rate of interest. Okay. So to calculate it, amount they are given 46669, the principal amount P into 1 plus R into T by 100. So we don't know the interest. So the X value will get as 15 percentage. 15 percentage. So this formula is very important. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R into T by 100. So such type of questions you will get in the campus placement, because you should know at least the basic, only the basic problems are there, but you should know how to solve in very short time. That's why they given in the company test, for example in Infosys and all, 90 minutes for 100%. Even for 1 minute also you won't get, because such types of problems only will be there in the test. And these like percentage and all, these are the basic topics to the your different other concepts. Okay, simple interest. Now it is a compound interest. Compound interest. Okay, so in the compound interest, there are very main two important formulas. So what is that? P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n minus 1. Compound interest P into 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 raised to n minus 1. Okay. p into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n minus 1. So that is your compound interest, and amount equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n. Amount equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n. So this is very important. The formulas: compound interest. Interest pay interest. Interest pay interest is compound interest. P into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n minus 1. Compound interest means interest pay interest. Okay. With the percentage method, you can use this for a plus b plus ab by 100. So here a simple problem. What will be the compound interest for the sum of 8,000 for 3-year duration at the rate of 5% per annum? At the rate of 5% per annum. See, it's a very traditional method. Traditional method for first year. They asked for the 3 years. So for first year, okay, it's a like the traditional method we can say. So 5% of 8,000. So how much you'll get? How much? So that is 400. We got the interest as 4,000. In the second year, here the principal amount for first year is 8,000. Okay, and what is the compound interest? The interest is 4,000. So for the second year, the amount becomes 8,000 plus the interest. So that is 8,400. So that is your principal amount for the second year. Okay. For interest, we are calculating the interest pay interest. Okay. So in the second year, 5% of 8,400. So that is 420. Now, in the third year, the principal is 8,400 plus 420. So how much? 8,820. Now this is the principal for your third year. So 5% of this, it is 441. So at the end of the third year, how much he has paid the interest? 400 plus 420 plus 441. 1200 and 61. Okay, see this is the compound interest. So he paid for 8,000 1,261 interest, compound interest he has paid. Compound interest, just keep in mind, compound interest means interest pay interest. Okay, this is not a formula based method. Whatever we use, it's a traditional method of how we can calculate the compound interest. Okay, so with the formula, with the same, we can use the formula of compound interest. What is that? P that amount calculation, right? P into 1 plus r by 100. Okay, P into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n minus 1, right? So compound interest with the formula based method will get 1261. With the same way you can calculate, okay, or this therefore you can use the formula. Better you use the formula only in the examination. P into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n minus 1. So here they are given the amount 30,000, that is principal, 7% per annum, with a certain amount, certain time. The compound interest on this principal. So compound interest they are given. So that is 4347 with the rate of interest and all they are given. Okay. So you can calculate the time, the duration. Okay, so that is here 2 years. You can just note down the problem and you can solve it. Okay, so today we'll cover some of the concepts on percentage, simple interest, and compound interest. Okay, so next we'll discuss some more problems. Okay, some more problems on different topics. So what you do at 11:10, after the 10 minutes you will get a link for the test, in your WhatsApp group. You all of you attend the test, and just keep in mind, for as an IT student you should main focus on the placement preparation, and for placement preparation aptitude and coding is required. So don't waste the time. This is your golden opportunity that you people are having the time to utilize, because this time you won't get. Okay, so you have the time, and just focus on this. Focus means you need to practice. So just one example, like for today's session, only few students I can find the same name. So out of around 32 students, I think 34 students, only around 8 to 9 students are participated actively. 8 to 9 students are participated actively. So the remaining, just they were the audience. So that's why. So this is the difference. The one who practice, he will be perfect, and he can improve his calculation times. The speed he can improve. So that will be helpful for his placement. He will. Okay. So focus on your placement preparation. After 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, you will get a link. So all of you attempt the test. Okay. So shall we end this session? Okay, you can leave the group. You can leave this session.